Thanks for watching the sound test of my Kilowatt keyboard build. It was kind of hard to tell in the video, but the PC Switch Plate is a lot quieter than the stock steel plate. So for example, I've got open back headphones here. With the steel plate, you can hear pretty much every bottom out of the key, but with the PC Switch Plate, since it's plastic, you can't really hear any key presses. I'm gonna have a full breakdown with parts list, prices, and a breakdown of every single part on my website, which we linked at the top of the description. And also I have a ton of spare parts that I don't really need anymore, so I'm gonna list those on eBay. I'll also have a link in the description, so check that out if you need some parts.